Hi everyone. I hope that you guys are doing well today. I'm posting a assignment for today, which is Thursday, September 17th, and it's going to be partially review, and we're also going to look at velocity. So last Tuesday when we were in class, we ran out of time, and we talked about speed, and we talked about constant speed versus instantaneous speed, but we never made it to velocity. So what I'm going to have you guys do today is you're going to make sure that you're caught up with lesson 1.1 and lesson 1.2 that we did on Tuesday. And then you're going to review and look at velocity. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this YouTube video and you're going to watch it. It's only 2 minutes long and it talks about the difference between speed and velocity. And so we're looking for that specific part is what differs between speed and velocity. So make sure you're looking for that when you are watching the video. Then you guys are going to read your textbook on page 23. There is the section on velocity. And if you forgot your textbook at school, that's okay. I attached this PDF, and this is the whole lesson 1.2. And you can look, and page 23 has the section on velocity. So remember, speed is our measure of distance that an object travels over unit of time. And if we go to page 23, you guys will see that velocity differs. And so if we look here, we'll see that this is the section on velocity. So this is what I want you to read. And velocity is the speed and direction that an object is moving. So the main difference between speed and velocity is speed is just how fast is something going, how far and how much distance does it cover in a certain amount of time. Velocity can only be calculated if we know the direction that the object is moving. So you're going to read this section on velocity. You're going to want to look at this picture here of this bouncing ball. And it tells you that we are indicating velocity with the arrow. So the arrow is pointing towards the direction. And if you look at it, the arrows are different lengths. And this means that the velocity is changing. So both speed and direction change. The velocity of the ball changes and the direction of the ball changes as the ball bounces. And we indicate that with the arrows next to that. After you're done reading this section and you've watched the YouTube video, you're going to go back to your classroom here. And I added a short assignment here at the bottom, and it's this lesson 1.2 velocity questions. You're going to click on that, and it will bring you right into the worksheet. And you're going to answer these 5 questions using complete sentences and correct spelling and grammar. And you're going to use it, or you're going to answer these questions using your own words. So I don't want you to copy and paste the definition of velocity. I want you to tell me in your own words what you understand velocity to be. And for question number 2, I want you to tell me what the difference is in your own words between speed and velocity. Number 3, you're going to tell me what the 2 things are that we need to determine velocity. You're going to tell me in number 4 what the symbol is that represents velocity. And number 5, I want you to think about how velocity can change. And I want you to give me an example of that. When you're done with that, you can turn it in. Make sure that you have lessons 1.1 and lessons 1.2 complete. So if you are looking in Classroom, you will see that there is 4 courseworks that we've done up to this point. So you're going to want to make sure that they're all done and turned in. And I have set the due dates for these things for Monday, September, I don't know what the date is. On Monday. It's due on Monday. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll talk to you guys later.